Okay, hello there everyone, hope you're well. Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna have a look at classic old Gauntlet on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Cool game from the mid-80s. And I have reviewed this game on Amstrad CPC and Nintendo 8-bit long time ago. And they were both very good, so this will be interesting. Here we go. One player. And I'm gonna choose the Merlin. I'm learning to play with Merlin. He's an old bearded wizard, pretty weak, but he has magical strength, so it could be very useful. Gonna go with Merlin. Here we go. I'm gonna play with Kempston because I play with my Xbox One controller, and there is no second player here, so I'm just gonna choose something. So here we go. So here is Merlin, and here comes disgusting ghosts immediately here, and this is their bases. I'm gonna take out the bases so they cannot respawn. And here come more diabolical hoodlums. Here is some treasures. And here is the exit to level 4. I'm going there soon. I'm gonna go around and collect a little bit of stuff here first. This is a magical potion that can be useful soon. And this is the exit to level 8, but I'm not going there because it will probably be a little bit too intense for my taste. So here level 4 will be good, I think. So here we go, I'm gonna go and collect the key up to the left here as well. Ugh, move your ass. Okay, here I will use my magical potion here. I'm just gonna have as many enemies as I can here, so I can use push. There you go. My space. No, not my space bar. My shift. My shift button. So that do severe damage. That it can be very useful because what we had there was Death himself actually, and yeah, it's impossible to fight him hand by hand. Actually, you need to have magical powers. So. Let's go up here and collect as much as we can here. Piss off. There is the exit, but I am gonna go around and collect as much as I can here. Was there anything more? No, I think this is the only way out actually. So this little stuff here, it opens up the area here. So I can hold down my fire button like this, you know, but I cannot move when I'm firing, so... Oh shit, here comes the Death himself. It's better to escape. Because he will drain a lot of health, you know. I will probably lose more than 300 in one go, so... I should try to get as many keys as I can. There is one key down there, so I'm gonna go in. Okay, now let's go around here. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of health here, but... So that was my key wasted. Is there any more keys up here? No. There's one kid here. Piss off. So I have one key now. Yeah, okay. Let's get to see. Okay, so here we go. And so I don't have a key to get out of here, but there is a way. I know there is a way because I have managed it without a key, but I don't remember how. I don't think I have to use the magical potion anyhow. I should push like that, so it gives me a little bit of breathing space if I use my magical potion there. But now I'm out of magical potions, so. And there are a lot of enemies here, so this will probably be my demise you will witness here. Yeah, like everyone can see, it's intense. Losing a lot of health, but I don't have a choice. I don't have any powers to my disposal. Here comes Death himself. So I don't. There is the exit, so I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, it's getting intense here, and I didn't have any. I only had one potion. I could have spared the magical potion for a little bit later in level 7. Okay, here is the magical potion. I'm gonna fight myself up there, and push. There you go. Look at my health. But here is a few. Here I can top up a little bit of it. There is more here. Here is more. Push. Here is a little bit of food. Ooh. Come on. Oh look, there is a Death himself. I should try to avoid him and go this way. Yeah, this is what a maze. Okay, here we're talking. Should try to go through here perhaps. Here it's just food, or just. There is more food. So I must say I'm a little bit lost now, but see if I can go back here perhaps. Here's Death lurking. I can try to go this way first. Avoid Death if I can. I think I shot down something valuable there, but what can I do? What can I do? Now, there you go. Here is the exit, so I'm just gonna go here. Here comes Death. Ooh. This is intense, but it's a great version. It's a fantastic version of the game, actually. Okay, look at that. It starts me out in a swarm of bollocks. I don't know where to go here. I have to take my chances. And hope I can find something that I can be. Oh, look at this. The bollocks. No, this will be I am in serious issue here. And I don't have any magical potion. There is the exit. I was cornered by death himself. You have found a treasure room. Okay, so here I need to go around here. Collect as many treasures as I can. Don't know if it's unlimited. No, it's. I see the time limit now, down in the middle. So how? Okay, 333 in bonus, health bonus. Oh, so this just bounce me back. Ah. Very cool level design. I see the exit. It's like a big surprise where this crosses bounce me, actually. Yeah, I'm living on the edge here now. There is another exit. I have only 219 health. Perhaps I can reach the... No, I thought it was going another turn there for the exit. Okay, I don't think I've ever been in here. Let's go this way and investigate. Where do you bounce me? Hey, bounce me back. I want to go up here. Oh shit. Perhaps I did a terrible choice, I don't know. I have only 100 in health. Oh shit, why did I shut down the food? 63 in health. Where am I? Okay. Piss off, you hoodlums. There you go, 20,907 points. Yeah, what an experience. Oh, yeah, must say yeah, probably one of the best ones conversions in my opinion here. It's a great game. It looks great. The colors are fantastic. The pace is awesome. The difficulty is it's achievable. Sound effects is great. Just great. Fantastic. I strongly recommend it. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. That was Gauntlet on a ZX Spectrum. Have a good one. Bye bye.